your ultimate ride guide for taxis in Sharjah. Sharjah's taxi service formally introduced in 1997. Taxi services are handled by Sharjah Roads and Transport Authority. Users can choose between standard, family, women, and accessible taxis. Taxis dedicated to airport transfers have extra luggage space. Taxis can be booked via phone. Popular taxi booking apps: Kareem and SRTA Sharjah Taxi app. Starting fare for a regular Sharjah taxi is 3 dirhams. Extra fee of 20 dirhams to enter Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Al Ain from Sharjah. Minimum of 20 dirhams is charged for airport taxis. Cash, card, and mobile app payment methods are available. Head to DubiCars blog to read the detailed article.